Hello children, this is Dhanalakshmi, your art teacher, welcoming you all to today's online art class. In today's class, let's see how to draw a cat sitting at window. So let's see how to do that. To begin with, first draw the borders on all the four sides. Then start drawing the curtains. I draw just wavy lines on both the sides to make curtains. Children, just draw the wavy lines or the loose curved lines to make the curtain on both the sides. Now draw a sleeping line or a straight line to make a wall. Now let me draw the window panel using some straight lines, that is standing line and sleeping lines. I use two parallel lines for the window panel. Children, you can use either scale, or if you are familiar drawing the lines, you can do it freehand. Next, I draw a cat sitting and watching through the window. Just draw two ears and its face as shown using curved lines, and draw its body and tail. Here I completely color the cat with black color, so no need to add the detailing for the face, that is writing the features of the cat. Now that our drawing is completed, let's start coloring it. I color red vertical strokes for the curtains. First give vertical strokes with red color on all the sides of the curtain. It should be either slanting or straight vertical lines. To give extra detailing, I blend it with orange and yellow color. Next, I color the window pane or the glass with dark green, light green and yellow shades. I am giving horizontal strokes here. I do it from dark to light strokes. Then I use light green and then yellow. Once I have done coloring the window pane, I move upon coloring the window panel with silver and brown shade. It's time to color the cat with black color. Completely fill in with black color. So this is how the picture looks when it is completed. Hope this drawing was easy and you learned something new. Until I meet you next time, take a very good care. Bye bye.